We're gonna have a friend come for dinner. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna make a vegetarian summer roll. So I have rice paper here. This kind of brand, I use it. And I boil the water, make the water hot. And I'm gonna soak the rice paper here in the water. And then start to roll. I have cilantro here, mustard, carrot, lettuce, cucumber, and I have a Asian noodle. So this is how I'm gonna roll it.
So you're sort of making a Asian burrito, right?
I don't know that burrito is burrito. They use tortilla. This is a rice paper. It's different from tortilla.
No.
This is how we're gonna roll it. So it becomes like this. Then you put it here.
Looks very good, very tasty. And healthy, and very healthy.
It is healthy, just like you roll the salad.
Yeah, it's a little salad in a wrap there, and basically no calories.
No calorie at all. Get a little carb, but this is a healthy food. I boil the water, make the water hot, and I'm gonna soak the rice paper here in the water.
Giveaway t-shirt contest. Jerry Brown here with Jerry Brown Travels.
Lori here.
Hey, we're gonna have a contest here. We're gonna let you win one of my custom t-shirts, a Jerry Brown custom t-shirt. All you need to do is...
Hey, Jerry. A lot of people ask about your t-shirt. How do they get one?
Let me tell you what you need to do.
What do they need to do? The name of the contest is...
/tag Jerry Brown t-shirt contest. To enter, very simple. Go on to your Facebook or your social media pages. Ask your friends to do this also. And what you'll need to do is they'll just need to. First thing that you need to do, or they need to do, is go to YouTube. They need to subscribe. They need to make a comment in there. And in the comment section in there, they're going to put your name. They're going to put in their size of the t-shirt if they win. And also, they're going to put in their /tag Jerry Brown t-shirt contest. You'll need to add in your address. It has to be an address from the United States, Canada, or Mexico. And then that's going to enter them. And make a note in there. Now, please don't do it on your social media page. It needs to go on to YouTube. YouTube sends us a notice, lets us know who has subscribed. So follow those directions. Now the contest starts now and it runs for 60 days and it'll end June 30th, 2018. But our goal here is to increase our subscription rate on YouTube. Right now we have 16,000 subscribers and we want to increase that to 20,000 within the next 60 days. And we feel that's a realistic number to reach. Now this is a random drawing and we will pick a name. We'll let you know who wins. Now it is one of a kind. It is a custom t-shirt. Lori and I designed all of my shirts. And so this is what our contest is all about, receiving a custom t-shirt.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, come on. Let's go for a ride with me. Look at this. We have plenty room here. Come on. We're gonna go